If we're looking at the THG MIG system, it comes with some standard components, right? We have a torch. Here we've got a push-pull torch. We've got nice buttons where we can feed wire in and out on the front. The offset adapter, which allows me to be able to manipulate the robot in space and teach points. The robot itself, or cobot, can come in a variety of flavors based on length. So if I've got a small part, maybe I need a shorter cobot. Longer part, of course, a larger cobot. So we can do a variety of different lengths of cobots, whether that's a UR10, a UR8, or a UR20. Tracks come in 1 meter lengths. So here we've got a 2 meter, but we can do 1 meter all the way up to 6 meter. We have headstock, tailstocks. Those can come in 500 or 1,000 pounds. The Fronius welder, for MIG, we have 3 different power sources. We can use the TPSI, the iWave, or the TransSteel. The TransSteel we use for customers that don't have 3-phase power. The iWave is the newest, and it can do multi-process. The table size can range. Our standard table is 3 foot by 4 foot. We can use a 4 foot by 8 foot or a 5 foot by 10 foot, or anything that would accommodate your parts.